You Harpooners, to the deck! The time is now! Track them to the end!
Awkward!
Useless crewmates! One, only one.
I wonder where the last guy is.
Get ready! No!
Hey, it's me!
I see it. Who's hungry? This doesn't pay enough. I am not held liable for any deaths. I'm just going to say I'd better get 5 stars for this. Oh well. It's not delivery, it's death.
Things are getting a whole lot bluer. I think the showground's done. Yeah! No one saw that, right?
You mock my cooking. Put the utensils down and stop cooking. I craft delicacy. Next time, try to put the fries in the
Tell the
bag.
red one there's a cooler kid in charge.
No. A meal for one. Here, have a little drama.
All I wanted was a
Your
leg!
cooking doesn't compare. This meal's on you. Someone's extra salty. You better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet.
You're just like Booger Man!
Fast food may be fast, but this one is faster.
You're no fun. I'm telling you.
Your cooking doesn't compare. Who's there? Hello. You're going to pay for that. Okay, dude. Salt, vinegar, and everything sinister. May the best cook win. Fortunately for you, my cooking's just better. We have to let me go.
Your bloody tricks have no place aboard my ship! All of that, and for what? You blinded yourself in complacent beliefs. Listen, you can hear it.
Time to end this.
What is the second life for one who does not deserve the first?